Spotted an NLC file in your Kaspersky security software folders? This is a license cache file used by Kaspersky Antivirus to manage product licensing. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these Kaspersky non-critical license cache files do and how to handle them. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your NLC, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. An .NLC file is a non-critical cache file created by Kaspersky security software. Users typically discover these files during system scans or while browsing installation folders and are curious about their purpose. These files are not meant for manual interaction and store temporary license or configuration data. The .NLC format is a proprietary binary data blob used internally by Kaspersky applications. Its design prioritizes quick, internal access by the software for state management, rather than human readability. It is structured to be opaque and integral to the application's licensing and update checks, preventing user tampering. Your primary software solution for NLC files should be Kaspersky Antivirus from Kaspersky Lab. Windows lacks necessary integrity checks, so safe handling requires approved software. Windows relies on predictable system file behavior, so user modifications are dangerous. The easiest solution is often finding the right app. Right-click the NLC file and choose Open With. Start with Kaspersky Antivirus if available. If not, choose another option. Expect a little trial and error. If the NLC file is still refusing to open, it's expected. We've got this under control. If the NLC file is still closed, it's one of 3 basic reasons. Here's a list with the common problems and how to check each one. First, letting Kaspersky manage. NLC files are managed automatically by Kaspersky security software and require no user interaction. The Kaspersky application reads and updates these files as needed during license validation. Avoid manually modifying or deleting NLC files, as this can disrupt licensing and require reactivation through your Kaspersky My Account portal. Next, reactivating license. If license issues occur, open Kaspersky security software and navigate to the license section. Use the Activate application function with your activation code to refresh license data, which regenerates NLC cache files. Sign into my Kaspersky account to retrieve current license codes for active subscriptions when reactivation is needed. Finally, contacting Kaspersky support. For persistent licensing issues that activation does not resolve, contact Kaspersky technical support. Provide your activation code and account details for assistance. Support can address corrupted NLC cache files or licensing database problems through guided troubleshooting or remote assistance to restore proper product activation status. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.